Additive manufacturing is the process of making a physical object from 3 or 4-dimensional digital models. This is accomplished by laying down mainly thin layers of material in succession until the object is created with advanced materials. Furthermore, it has recently crossed into the biosphere and is being used to construct plants, foods, or even human limbs. By 2030, there's a chance that it will be feasible to print a functioning organ. Additive manufacturing is democratizing manufacturing and is creating significantly less waste than subtractive manufacturing.